Connect left and right corners first. Fix the base with screws. Attach screw bracket from the back card to the position of the screw post surrounding the body. Fix all screws. Wipe all kit fit positions with adhesive aid. Paste double-sided tape along the edge of the bonding position. Put the splitter around the front bar of the original car. Fix the positions on both sides first. Then tear the double-sided tape from one side. Press the other side to fix. Align body and fix screws. Then fix the bottom screw. Tear off tape. Fit the side skirts to the body. Tear off the adhesive paper and press to fix it. Fix the screw position at the bottom of the front and rear sides and remove the buckles on both sides of the lining. After cleaning, surround the fitting position. Tear off a bit of the adhesive. Check the fixed side positions. Then tear the double-sided tape from one side. Press the other side to fix. Tighten screws. Tighten last screw.